welcome back everybody. This is the first update for the course as promised. So here's what we shall do. So this is going to be a short intro to this chapter, and then we're going to have a requirements for the chapter, and then we'll actually move on to achieving our goal. Anyway, here in this chapter, I will show you how you can make a USB device, reprogram a USB device to act like a keyboard. Well, sort of reprogram the USB device to act like a keyboard. And when you plug it into another PC, it will execute a predefined set of functions. What I will be doing in this demo, what I will be demonstrating here is how you can take a USB device that has been sort of reprogrammed, and then you will be able to plug it into a Windows PC from 7 Plus onwards, and it will actually download and install a keylogger onto that device, which will run at every boot of the machine, and it will also send emails to an email that has been hard coded into the code. Anyway, the device what we're doing is basically have a device that is a keyboard and not a storage device. So you will have a USB I have acquired mine somewhere from eBay. It's basically Arduino, and this is not a storage device. This is purely a USB. This purely acts as a keyboard device, so it's not a storage device. This entire procedure can be done with a regular USB. However, the right USB is required, and it is very hard to find. It is a lot easier to just take Arduino and cheaper and reprogram it to do whatever it is that you want it to do. I will show you how to do this, of course. I do believe that I won't skip any steps. I will try to explain as many steps as possible, but if anything remains unclear, you know where to find me in the discussion section as usual. There's always somebody there to help you out. Somebody from the staff, that is. The USB in this chapter will be configured to, when plugged in, to run a script which will actually download a keylogger, install it, and it will make sure that the keylogger runs at boot time, which is very convenient. All the code will be available on GitHub. You can find the links to the repositories on GitHub down in the description section of the video. So you'll be able to download the code from there, but I would strongly advise you, if you're going through this course, not to download the code, but rather instead to type it in yourselves and to only use the code that is available on GitHub as a reference point. The code so just use it as a reference point, please. I can't stop you, obviously. It doesn't make a difference to me, but it will make a difference to you in a sense that you will be able to learn more when you type it in yourselves. And finally, in this intro, I want to issue a disclaimer. I am not responsible what you do with this device or how you use it. I am doing this purely for educational purposes to teach you how it is done. And I'm practically begging you not to use it for any sort of illegal or immoral purpose, as there really is no need for you to do so. Okay, so bid you farewell, and we're going to go ahead and go into the requirements. We'll go into the requirements video to show you what is required for you to be able to do this.